Start Aniket Kumar.
He didn't answer.
Aniket Kumar.
Teacher is not telling.
Okay, next candidate Tarun. Tarun,
Yes, sir.
continue Tarun.
Jai Hind, everyone. Jai Hind, everyone. I am Tarun from Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I passed my 12th in 2022 and currently pursuing Bachelor of Science from Prayagraj State University. In my family, my father is a banker, my mother is a teacher. I love to play chess and I want to join Indian Air Force because it provides a platform to serve the country, job security and financial security. Now I am coming to a topic which is assigned to me, that is global warming. So, global warming describes the rapid increase in Earth's average surface temperature due to the harmful gases which are released by humans like carbon dioxide, methane, CFCs, etc. Modern human activities such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation have caused a high concentration of greenhouse gases in atmosphere, which causes the ozone layer depletion. Greenhouse gases absorb the sun's heat that radiates from the surface of the earth and prevents from going up in the space. Global warming also results in changing the climate over past few years.
Next
As we
candidate Anjali Kuntal. Next candidate Anjali Kuntal.
My name is Anjali Kuntal. I belong to Mathura, located in UP. I have completed higher secondary with PCB from State Board. I have got good academic record, 10th as well as 12th standard. Now I am pursuing BA from Bira Ambedkar University. That's all about me. Dear old friends, this topic is related to global warming in our environment. Global warming is the result of emission of different gases from various power plants like carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon gas, etc. Due to global warming affected people and animals because the high temperature glaciers melts in ice. Thank you.
Next candidate Ajay Pal Yadav.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ajay Pal Yadav. I belong to village Tulera, district Alwar, Rajasthan. Right now, I am pursuing graduation from RR College, Alwar. I have completed class 12 with PCM with aggregate marks of 97.2 from the Karen Vision Senior Secondary School. My hobby is playing cricket, reading newspaper, and participating in extracurricular activities. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me a lot of adventureful life and it is full of disciplineful life and pride moment for us. Today is our group discussion topic is global warming. We know global warming means when the earth temperature increasing due to the greenhouse gases emission, and it is right now it is become a very critical problem, not over for our country but also in the world, because for the living species global warming affecting all of us. Thank you.
Next candidate Pritam Singh.
Jai Hind, friend. My name is Pritam Singh. I am from Lathia, Jharkhand. My hobby, I have completed my 12th from Sarma College, Chhatarpur in Science Stream. Now I am pursuing graduation in English Honours from AK Singh Degree College, Japla. My hobbies are traveling and singing. My goal to be the best version of ourselves and disciplined life. Now about today's topic is our global warming. The phenomena of increasing temperature of our atmosphere is called global warming. Causes of global warming is deforestation, used vehicle, and industry development. Thank you.
Next candidate Asutosh Singh.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Ashutosh Singh. I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th PCM from UP board and now I am pursuing my graduation. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. And I want to join Indian Air Force because his duty and discipline are always attached to me and I want to serve our nation. That's all about me. And now we are here to discuss on the topic. The topic is global warming. Global warming is increases the temperature of Earth's surface and oceans. And global warming is the result of emissions of different gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, chlorofluoro oxide, and nitrogen oxide is the one of the one of the major reason of global warming. So, and the global warming are smoke industries are coming to global warming, and if we reduce global warming, so we should more plantation, and we should use solar energy, wind energy, and hydrological energy. And due to global warming and ozone layer is depletion is decreasing day by day, so we should prevent him, and that
Next
that are very
candidate,
dangerous for us. Thank you.
Bhavya.
Jain sir and all my GD friend. My name is Shivani Sonkar and my father Mr. Dilip Kumar Sonkar. I hail from Banaras located in UP. Basically, I have completed my higher secondary education with 83%. My strength point is my family support and hard working, and my weakness point is I am straightforward and credulous. My hobbies are reading book and listening song. That's all about me. I would like to introduce about the topic. Today topic is a global warming. सर टॉपिक अभी मैंने रिवाइज नहीं करा है.
ओके, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
जी सर.
नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट अनिकेत कुमार.
जय हिंद एवरीवन. सर मैं आवाज आ रही है?
यस, कंटिन्यू.
जय हिंद एवरीवन. माय नेम इज अनिकेत कुमार. आई एम फ्रॉम सहारनपुर, उत्तर प्रदेश, which is famous for woodwork furniture and also famous for Maa Sakumari Devi Fair. I have recently completed my BSc with PCM from CSS University, and I also good academic at 10th and 12th standard also from the board. There are 5 members in my family. My father is software and my mother is a private teacher. Because it gives a very advantageous and saving life.
व्हाट हैपेंड अनिकेत? देखिए, एक तो जो कैंडिडेट बोल नहीं रहे हैं, जिनका चांस आ चुका है या जिनको मैंने नाम नहीं बोला है, वो सभी अपना माइक म्यूट कर लीजिए. कोई भी अपना माइक अनम्यूट मत करो, सभी का माइक म्यूट होना चाहिए. ओके, क्योंकि डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हो आप बार बार. सभी अपना माइक म्यूट कर लीजिए. ओके. अंजलि, आपका माइक खुला है. दीपेंद्र, आपका खुला है माइक, बंद कर लीजिए माइक. नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट रहेंगे हर्ष बोबी.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Harsh Kumar. I am from Bagpat, Uttar Pradesh, that is famous for Apus mangoes. I am pursuing graduation from Chaudhary Charan Singh University, Meerut. Today our topic is global warming. Global warming is a heating up of Earth due to presence of CO2 and other greenhouse gases in the air. The greenhouse gases trap the sun heat. The main reason of global warming is burning fossils and fuels that increasing the level of CO2 and other greenhouse gases that harms our ozone layer. Even deforestation is a main cause of global warming, that because the less quantity of trees is cannot afford to absorb the CO2 and cannot afford the CO2 and other harming heating of to coming sun. Today we saw the result of global warming such as flooding forest and hottest weather. That is a cause of melting ice and increasing sea level. To stop the global warming, we can use of sustainable energy like wind power and solar energy and planting the many trees.
नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट
Thank you very
शुभम
much.
कुमार. शुभम कुमार.
Good evening, sir, and my dear friends. I am Subham Kumar. I am from Mara, Bhojpur, Bihar. Ara is known as Arthababir Kumar Singh. I have passed class 12th with 86% marks from BSCB, and now I am pursuing BSc Physics Honors from Bir Kumar University, Ara. In my family, apart from my parents, I have two elder sisters. My father is farmer and my mother is homemaker. I like playing volleyball and football. I am punctual and disciplined in my work. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me adventures and decent career. That's all about me, and we are here to discuss about a topic which has been assigned to us: global warming. Global warming means increasing the temperatures of Earth's surface and oceans due to the emissions of greenhouse gases like CO2, methane, and chlorofluorocarbons. It is the main reason behind global warming. And deforestation is the also reason behind global warming because less availability of trees to absorb CO2 and emit oxygen gas. Therefore, we should planting more and more trees, and also we should provide awareness among the people to planting more and more trees. And behind global warming, ozone depletion is also a reason because UV ray is the emits from the sun reaches the Earth's surface. It is not good for our health as well as our atmosphere. Therefore, we should use bicycles instead of vehicles, and also we should renewable energy instead of non-renewable energy because it is not affect our environment. Therefore, we should renewable energy like solar energy and wind energy. Many disasters have been faces like tsunami, earthquakes, and many other faces due to the global warming. Therefore, we should take care
Next
of our
candidate,
environment.
Nikita Singh. Next, Nikita Singh.
First of all, good evening to all. My name is Nikita Chaudhary. I belong to Hathras. I have completed my higher secondary education from CBSE board. Now I am pursuing BA second year from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University. My hobbies is listening music and reading books. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives an adventurous life and better opportunity after 12. We are here to discuss about the topic on the global warming. Global warming is increasing the temperature of earth and ocean. Global warming is result to emission of gases like carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon. Smoking is the main cause of global warming, and deforestation and the use of fossil fuels are main causes of global warming. Due to global warming, ozone depletion is increased that prevent from ultraviolet rays.
Okay, next candidate, Anu Gupta.
Jain sir and all my GD friends, my name is Anokhi Gupta. My father name is Mr. Vishnu Gupta. I am from Binki, located in UP. I have completed my 10th and 12th with 88 and 86%. My hobbies are listening music, reading books, watching movies. My weakness is that I am straightforward and gradulous. My strength is my family support and hard work. I am motivated from my seniors who is in IAF, so I also want to join IAF as an Agniveer. That's all about me. Now coming to the topic global warming. The term global warming consists of two words, global and warming. Global means planet and warming means heating up. So the process of our planet it is to heating up is called global warming. In an environment when harmful gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and other oxide of oxygen are involved, then they absorb the coolness of the globe, and that's why temperature of globe rises. Deforestation is also the main cause of global warming. To overcome this problem, tree plantation should be done. Smoking coming from the factories is also the cause of global warming. So all the countries should come together to overcome this problem. Dear friends, due to global warming, plants and animals also get affected because the high temperature will melt the ice in Greenland and increases the sea level of ocean, which would be very dangerous for the humanity.
Next candidate, Dipendra Kumar.
Hello everyone, my name is Dipen Kaur. I belong to Kanpur. I have passed 10th and 12th from UP Board. Now I am pursuing BSc from Kanpur University. There are 6 members in my family, including 3 siblings. My father is teacher, my mother is housemaker. My hobby is playing cricket and reading newspaper. Today my topic is global warming, which is assigned to global warming increase the temperature of Earth's surface and ocean. Global warming is the result of emission different gas from various power plants like carbon dioxide, methane, and chlorofluorocarbon, and many more gases. This is one causes of global warming. So our government should take a step to control it. Smoke coming from factories is causes of global warming, and all the countries should come together to control it and save our environment. Due to global warming, many animals and plants are most affected because high temperature in Greenland melt ice and increasing sea level of oceans, which should be very dangerous for us. Global warming is also causes of many gases, especially greenhouse gases. Deforestation is also causes of global warming, and we should take many steps like we reduce global warming from plantation, and we use EVs. Then global warming stop, and many countries come together and stop more uses of vehicles and
Next,
plantation more trees.
Anurag Kushwaha.
Yes, sir. Jai Hind everyone. My name is Ishu Kushwaha. I belong to Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. It's famous for leather industries. I have passed class 12 in 2022 from UP board and currently pursuing BA second year from CSMU Kanpur University. And my hobbies, I like to playing cricket and watching movies. And my positive point, I never give up easily and self-motivated. I want to join Indian Air Force because I believe discipline, dedication, and teamwork, which are essential in the armed forces. Dear friends, in my point of view, this topic is related to global warming. Global warming is the main causes of emission different gases as like carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon, etc. Main reason of global warming. That's all. Thank you.
अभी कोई कैंडिडेट ऐसा है जिसका चांस नहीं आया है? निशु यादव. निशु यादव.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Nish Yadav. I'm from Alwar, and my qualification is I completed my 12th class from Gary Vision Senior Secondary School, Alwar, and now I'm pursuing my graduation from RR College, RR Autonomous College, Alwar. And today's topic, now I'm coming on the today's topic, that is global warming. As first of all, I want to mention that what is global warming. Global warming means the sun rises coming on the earth. After then, we all know that in this time the temperature of the earth is increasing day by day. So there are many regions. We can say the carbon monoxide gases, greenhouse gases. They are the reason behind the global warming, and they are like the many things is also dependent on this, and we are also the depends on the global warming increasing in these days, because we are cutting the trees that can absorb the carbon dioxide gases. So we have to aware about this. Thank you, sir.
ओके, सभी कैंडिडेट का अभी चांस आ चुका है. सभी ने अपना जो सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन एंड अबाउट द टॉपिक दिया वो बहुत अच्छा दिया है. और जो आपका रिव्यू रहेगा सेशन का, वो जब आप लोग जीडी कंप्लीट कर लेंगे उसके बाद में आपको रिव्यू दिया जाएगा कि आपको कहाँ पे कोई, अगर आपके अंदर कोई इम्प्रूवमेंट चाहिए तो वो इम्प्रूवमेंट मैं आपको लास्ट के अंदर बता दूंगा. अभी हम लोग बिना टाइम को वेस्ट किए हुए अपना जो जीडी सेशन है, अपनी प्रैक्टिस है, उसको स्टार्ट करते हैं, डिस्कशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो जो आज का अपना ग्लोबल वार्मिंग का टॉपिक है उसको आज इनिशिएट करेंगी निकिता सिंह. स्टार्ट निकिता सिंह जीडी सेशन. इनिशिएट द टॉपिक.
Dear all friends, global warming is increase the earth temperature and oceans, And the result of global warming emission of different type of gases like carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon as the main causes of global warming. So government should take some preventive step to control this.
I am agree with you. Stubble burning is also a problem for the global warming.
The most because high temperature will melt in Greenland, so the sea level of oceans would be very dangerous for our humanity.
Yeah,
I am agree with you.
Rupan,
Stubble
dear,
burning is also a
I
problem. I am agree with you. Stubble burning is also a problem for global warming because stubble burning means burning of wasted material of crops. It generally happens in India in a state of inside along the side of Delhi in Punjab and Haryana. It also affects our global warming. It's also the cause of smoking. It's affect our environment.
Agree to
I agree with you, friend. In my opinion, smoking coming from the factories due to global warming and depletion of growing power plant in India is very affected due to global warming is ultraviolet due to global warming is ultraviolet rays. This effect is in many in our society, in our houses, in our place are affected, and children are very sufferings due to global warming. Thank you.
Due to global warming, global warming, fossil fuel emission is playing a crucial role in the global warming because due to the fossil fuel emission, the earth temperature is increasing day by day, or also the carbon monoxide and the CO2 gases are the result of the fossil fuel emission, and it is mainly using in the transport vehicles and industrial areas, and stubble burning also create a global warming like situation.
Dear friends, I am agree with you, but in my point of view, we use our solar energy and wind energy to control of global warming. As we all know that 20% of world greenhouse gas which are burning fossil and fuels is the one of the main reason of global warming.
Dear friends, global warming is the
Yeah, I
myth
agree with you.
that harm our ozone layers. It is not our country's issue, it is international. Today, we can do a thing to less than global warming.
Deforestation is also a
You
major
all, but
issue.
I want to say that
Trees are cut day by day, and it is very harmful for our nature. If we plant many trees, then we decrease the global warming issue.
Yeah, I agree with Rupan, my dear friend. Global warming is a global problem. Yeah, I agree with you. With your point, my dear friend. At some point, global warming is a global problem all over the world, and not only special India. Many countries come together should solve this problem and stop more usage of vehicles and planting more trees and usage of renewable energy. And deforestation is also causes of global warming. Fossil fuels are also causes of global warming. Day by day increase.
Due to the global warming, the earth temperature is increasing day by day. So that's why the ice is melting and the glaciers ice is melting. So that's why the the sea level of the earth is also increasing. It will be a mainly impact of the island countries like Maldives, Seychelles, because after the 13 and 40 years, they can be eliminated from our world because of the increasing of the ice water, sea level.
that you said that if the global warming is increasing, that's why the melting of the glaciers is also coming. Due to the global warming, the floods is also coming in these states. It's a critical problem for us all, for in this time, because when we talk the last 100 years data, then we find that the temperature is increasing day by day, and in the UNFCCC, it's a council of many countries that concede a meeting. After then they are talking in each other that what happening in your country, why the temperature increasing. So in our country, we all know that we are using the coil in light because everyone want the light. That's why we are using the coil in more quantity. It's a very critical for us. So
Yes, gentlemen, I am agree with you.
that
As
is
we know that March 2024 is hottest month ever. So global warming because UV rays enter in the Earth's surface, and this leads to melting of glaciers, which increase the ocean level, and this can cause the natural disaster had come, like floods and other things. So, the current situation of our Earth becoming worsen day by day. To overcome this situation, we have to decrease the overuse of resources and save energy at home.
Yes, dear friends, I agree with you. Global warming is a very big issue for all over the world. So we should more plantation, and we should use solar energy and wind energy. So to reduce our global warming. So if we give you some one point, if you use the slogan to make the people aware, like no blue, no green, no earth. This is a very major and this is a very good idea of global warming to reducing.
I agree with you, friend. In my opinion, global warming is a very big issue in our country. Not only in our India, but also the whole world. Due to global warming is increasing day by day, which prevents us ultraviolet rays. Is very dangerous for the whole humanity. Thank you.
I agree with your
I
point.
am
I add some
totally agree
global
with
warming.
you,
I
guys,
add some
but I
point.
want to add some more point that I have a data which say that China is a country which produce 30% of carbon dioxide in the world, and it is the largest carbon dioxide produced by China. Second country is a USA, which produce 15% of the carbon dioxide of the world, and third is European countries, which produce 9% of carbon dioxide of the whole world, and fourth is our country India, which produce 7% carbon dioxide of the world.
I agree with your point.
I
I
am
add
agree with
some
you.
point. We know that about global warming is increase also disaster, like some country Turkey, and recent is earthquake in coming in Japan, and many people are die in disaster. This is the reason only global warming.
It is
I am
impacting of
agree with
our
you.
earth climate also, like the drought situation. Flood is also coming even in not a monsoon time, like the summer is becoming a more hotter, and the coolest season is become a very cooler. So it means that the drought and the flood situation is also coming in comparatively, like the according to the data that the Ganga and Brahmaputra river basin is the largest basin in our country, and also it is estimation that after 40 and 50 years that they will be eliminated from our country. Then it will also impact of our country's largest population from Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Paschim Bengal.
I agree with you,
Yeah,
friend. In my
yeah,
opinion, due to global warming affected plants and animals and melt in glaciers. Due to global warming, very harmful in our society, in our India. Global warming
I agree with your point. I
affect
add some
many
point.
birds.
Many people and birds and animals are also facing global warming. You know that about 750 million people will face a water crisis by the end of 250, and 1.8 million people are facing water chronic scarcity in the world.
I am agree with you. Global warming is increasing day by day. Therefore, we should prefer organic farming. Organic farming means manufactures and production of fruit and vegetables with the help of organic fertilizers like gobar gas and manure, etc. It does not affect our atmosphere.
Yes, my dear friend, I agree with you. Recently, NASA published a report in which they say that the global warming is increasing, and the glacier of the North Pole and the South Pole will be melt, and the decreasing of the level of the sea level, the sea level is increasing 8 inches, and this is very harmful for a human and the land located countries.
I
Yeah,
am
I agree with
totally
your
agree
point.
with you
You
guys,
know,
but I want to add some more point that the change in climate condition is a result of our global warming. The burning of fuel, cutting down trees, causes of temperature of the earth to increase. High temperature change the weather pattern also. The weather pattern is changed, then our agriculture sources are affected by this. Dry season, winter is more winter, summer is more hotter. These problem are by the global warming.
agree with your point. I at some point, that about Arctic Ocean glacier is melting day by day, and it is a ghost of our world. That is not only India, and in my opinion, in coming future, sea level I think increasing 2 centimeter, and temperature is also increasing 1.5 centimeter.
I agree with you.
The main
In
example of
reference
global
to
warming is right now
global
the
warming,
UAE rains. It is increasing, and due to in UAE, that is Sanयुक्त Arab Emirat, there was a flood also come. It means that this is the region, very summer region, and there is a flood come. It means that it impact of the global warming, that rain is happening too much on that there.
I agree with your point. I at some point that about our India, because it's recent as the forest effect of global warming, and Chhattisgarh people are facing very worst global warming in India.
I am agree with you. Government has worked a lot to reduce the chances of global warming. Therefore, the theme of G20 summit held in India in 2023, the theme of G20 summit is One Earth, One Family, One Future. It also promotes by Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi to reduce global warming.
With
I
your point,
agree with
I
you,
at
friend.
some
In my
point
opinion, due to
our
global
government.
warming is yes, brother.
Agree with
Speaking.
your point. I at some point our prime minister also promised our Indian people they reduce zero greenhouse in 2014.
Yes, I agree with you. In my opinion, global warming is a very big issue. Due to global warming, is the causes of main reasons are bad affected in many plants and our India growth.
I am
Global
totally
warming.
agree with
Yes,
you.
my
I am
yes, my dear
totally
friend, I
agree with
agree
you,
with
you
you. If
guys.
we
I
want
want to add
to
some
reduce
more
the
point.
global warming,
The region
then
of
we
carbon dioxide and the other greenhouse gases like methane, oxide gases into the atmosphere is the major causes of global warming. It can be reduced by bee plantation and use organic waste to biofuel and renewable energy like wind power used in electricity and electronic vehicle used by in the vehicle sector, so
yes,
we can reduce the global warming.
yes, my dear friend,
I
I agree with you. If we want to
friend, global warming is harmful
global warming
effect.
level, then we using more plant in our earth, and also the reducing the level of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, and we using the cycles against reduce against the bicycles, and using the solar panels in our house also.
To reduce the
Friends, I
impact
am
of the
totally
global
agree
warming,
with you. Due to global warming, ozone depletion is increased, which prevent ultraviolet rays, which is dangerous for our bodies. And global warming is a very big issue for all over the world. So all the nations should come together and stop more use of vehicles and planting more trees and effective use of renewable energies.
to reduce the impact of
Agree with
global
your point.
warming in the
I add
first
some point. Global warming is heating up Earth due to presence of CO2 and other greenhouses. And global warming is increase our our
to reduce the impact of global warming in Earth, the firstly we have to put that effort that which reduce the emission of the fossil fuels emission, and also the more promote of electric vehicles and renewable energy resources. So we can reduce the impact of global warming. Like India is also putting too much efforts towards it. Like India is promoting renewable energy resources, like India make a international solar alliance, and also make a international biofuel alliance. It means that our country is towards to getting a renewable energy.
I agree with you,
I
friend.
am
In
a-
my opinion,
I agree with your point. I at some point India and France are also committed in solar energy, and India is ahead, and solar energy ahead in Gurgaon stable.
I am agree with you. Government has worked a lot to reduce global warming. Therefore, uh, many schemes are launched by government. And one of the is Swachh Bharat Mission. Swachh Bharat Mission had promoted by our Prime Minister to reduce the global warming.
Plant a
At
more
last,
trees, it will be good for the our earth also, and plant more trees and using more the electric vehicles when we use, and instead of using the transport, instead of using the private vehicle, we can use the transport vehicle if we go anywhere. So it will be our self reliance or towards the reduce the impact of the global warming.
I am agree with you. In IPL 2023, the governing body of cricket in India, BCCI, had decided to plant 500 trees per dot balls, with 294 dot balls in the IPL season of 2023. Therefore, 1,47,000 trees are planted by BCCI. It is good for our nation because it helps to reduce global warming.
Recent many IPL match you listening RR and RCB match RR team give six ball and they give one solar system in every Rajasthan houses and total I think 26 sixes and Rajasthan give 26 solar plant in Rajasthan house.
I am totally agree
I
with
am
you guys.
totally agree with you. Global warming is causing extreme weathers. Winter are now cold and summer are hotter. It will also result in more natural disasters such as droughts, floods, etc.
I am totally agree with you guys. I want to add some more point that India will achieve a target of net zero emission by the year 2070. Uh, it will be become reduce the global warming.
I agree with you, friend. In my opinion, global warming is increasing day by day. The main causes of the climate change is prefer to fossil fuels and other many plants. As we all know, India is a developing country. This situation is not good, but we are a developing country. Thank you.
In developing countries, so India should be more focused on the extra resources for the instead of the fossil fuel resources. Like in developed countries, they are developed countries, so they don't need to use other vehicles. Like EU is also, it means European Union is also curbs on the ban on the some vehicles which is emitting too much pollutants like the greenhouse gases pollutant like the methane, carbon dioxide by the 2033. So it means that India is also
I agree with your point. I at some point, that about developed country are also responsible for global because they increase in use of carbon dioxide, methane, and many more gases, and they also pressure in developed country like India, China, and many more country. They want a developed country reduce global. This is not
Dear
right
friend
because
Deepak, dear friend Deepak, we cannot cancel use of fuel, but we can afford less fuels and fossils like electric vehicles and sustainable energy.
Global warming is a major issue. It is not destroyed completely, but we decrease for sometimes. If we decrease this issue when we come in all the countries of the world, will we come in a one platform and take against action against him? And major action of this is to plant many more trees.
Dear friends,
I am
Yes,
agree
I
with
am
you,
totally
Minister.
agree
I am agree
with
with you.
you. Dear friends, I am totally agree with you. In the fifth meeting of Niti Aayog, Indian government say that use the electronic vehicles for reduce the global warming. and
I am agree with you.
build the
I am agree.
electronic charging station for the charging transportation that stop the global warming.
Our
Yes, I
agree
am
to
agree with you. I am agree with you.
that our country is also promoting the ethanol blending in the our vehicles so that we can reduce the emission of the some methane oxide and carbon dioxide in from our vehicles. Like it is what
I
a
agree with your
statement.
point. Yeah, I agree with your point. I at some point our country is also working in solar energy and working in more in reduce global warming, and we use EVs, then we control global warming in the world.
Dear friends, as
I
we
am
all
agree
know
with
that
you.
carbon
I am agree with
dioxide is
you.
a major contributor to global warming, and 20% of world greenhouse gas that burning fossil fuels that increase our temperature. So we should promote to more plantation and to should more electric vehicles. That's
Our
all.
our constitution reserves 33% of the land area will be reserved for forest and trees, but it reduces 31%. Our government also take a strict action against these person will cut the trees, but trees are cutting day by day. It is very harmful for our nature.
I am agree with you. Ministry of Road and Transport of Highways, Nitin Gadkari said that the decrease the uses of petroleum and diesel cars and bicycles, and also said that uses of hydrogen cars and bicycles have a 70% used by the initiative of 2047.
I am
With your
totally
point,
agree with you guys. I want to add some more point that we all know that if the ice glacier are melt, then the our and world's coastal areas are sink in the ocean. Then the problem in increasing, which we who live in this area, which live in the areas, it is not also, it is no global warming is not problem for only humans but also the sea creature, because the increasing in CO2, its negative effect on sea creature also.
I agree with your point. I at some point we know that about petrol and diesel are limited in our earth, and EVs are reduced global warming because EVs can't provide noise pollution and many more opportunity. They especially reduce our global warming.
I agree with you, friend. Your point is a good. Global warming is an issue in our country. So this is the main causes of air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, and refers to the main causes the climate change or fossil fuels, time, time, time participations, global warming. This is a big issue in India.
I agree to her. I want to add some point. Due to the global warming, the country's GDP growth is also impacting, and the migration is happening too much. Not only in the human, but also the some species are also doing the migration from our countries and towards other countries. And also due to the global warming situation, the peoples are also not living in a good situation. They are going in anxiety, depression like situation because a temperature is increasing. They are not getting proper environment. Thank you.
I am agree with you. The main agenda of G20 is held in India in 2023. How to improve our environment by the global warming. It is the main agenda behind the G20, and also the 20 countries discussing about the things. How can we improve our environment as well as our atmosphere?
Dear friends, in my point of view, as we are saying in our central state places as Delhi, that Arvind Kejriwal are working in that and to promoting electric vehicle, and so that are also reducing our global warming, and to promote in this type of climate change and renewable energy. This is the main
I am
reason for.
totally agree with you guys, but I want to add some more point. The India India's net zero emission is very important for reducing the global warming problem in next year, next future, because its mission is completed in 2070. 70 as a India aim to goal to net zero emission means it not produce zero harmful gases in environment.
I agree with you, friend. In my opinion, India is the most populated country in the whole world. And very unemployment and very are facing a lot of problems like many cases. So global warming is a very big issue in our India. Thank you.
I am agree with you. In previous year in Delhi, to reduce the chances of global warming, Arvind Kejriwal has announced to use odd and even cars numbers, to use private vehicles odd and even cars number to reduce carbon emissions, to reduce the global warming.
To him to reduce the impact of global warming as an individual, what can we do? Like when we are going in a 10 kilometer radius circle, then surely we should use the cycle instead of the bicycle. And if you are go anywhere using more electric vehicles, and if you go far our other area, then using more the transport vehicles, and at the time of birthday and at any festival, we should plant a tree at least more than 10 in every festival time and care of it for 6 months. As an individual, it will be a great impact for our personality as well, that to reduce the impact of the global warming.
नाउ कैंडिडेट्स स्टॉप। अभी जो कैंडिडेट है भाव्या, आप अपने टॉपिक को कंक्लूड करेंगे। अभी हम टॉपिक को एंड करने की ओर चल रहे हैं। अभी 2 से 3 जो स्टूडेंट रहेंगे वो अपने टॉपिक को कंक्लूड करेंगे। तो भाव्या, यू कैन कंक्लूड द टॉपिक। अंजलि कुंतल,
Yes, sir.
conclude the topic. Conclude the
yes,
topic.
Sir. Yes, sir. Dear all friends, I am gonna conclude the topic. Global warming is increasing day by day. The main causes of climate change are fossil fuels. This problem is not good. If we do not prevent as soon as possible, many country and in our country faces undesirable a lot of problems. Thank you, sir.
Next candidate Shubham Kumar, conclude the topic.
At last, I would like to say that global warming is increasing day by day, and global warming means increasing the Earth's surface and temperature of Earth's surface and oceans due to the emissions of greenhouse gases like CFC, methane, and carbon dioxide. Therefore, we should use renewable energy instead of non-renewable energy, like wind energy and solar energy, and also we should prefer public cars and public use of transportation along the side of private bicycles. Thank you.
So now candidates, we discuss about our today's session review. Okay.